This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Larry Hahn. Fabulous updated 4/3 plus den lakefront home in Crown Colony. This desirable Bentley model, one of the larger Crown Colony floor plans, is very rare, with only a few others in the community. Upgraded with travertine and wood flooring throughout, granite kitchen, new master bath and main guest bath, outdoor kitchen with bull grill fixtures, and covered lanai overlooking an east view over the lake. And it has a new roof and exterior paint, plus a very desirable side load, 2-car garage offering extra storage space and a large driveway area. Furnishings will be negotiable if desired for a quick move-in for the season. The HOA is very well run with low quarterly fees, providing all lawn maintenance on a weekly schedule, 24/7 attended gated access, a community pool, hot tub, 4 true tennis courts, and well-equipped fitness center open 24/7. Comcast fiber optic cable and the Xfinity X1 platform with up to 4 TV/DVR boxes, and high-speed Wi-Fi internet, are all part of the dues, over a $750 quarterly value at retail. Social or golf membership at the golf club at Crown Colony is optional, and offering the following special through 2024. For a limited time, a golf membership purchased within 60 days of closing on this home will allow a 15% reduction in the club initiation fee. Please call the club for more details. This club was chosen for the 2022 LPGA $1.5 million Drive-On Championship, hosting the world's top women golfers, and is also used for PGA qualifying events. For more information, review the details below or contact Larry Hahn at 239-898-8789.